Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda Goldwing Bagger 1800. This is a manual transmission version, just arrived from its original owner with only 18,000 miles, and it's got some awesome upgrades, including the tall windscreen, highway running lights, rear backrest, center stand, and best of all, traction dynamic suspension upgrades to the tune of about $3,000 front and rear. Beautiful condition. This bike really makes a statement. I love the look of it. Come on by, make your luxury touring bagger dreams come true. This awesome Goldwing for $19,990. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. What a bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.